So one of our goals for BGSU for sustainability is waste reduction and resource conservation. That's how this concept fits into sustainability, is that all the items in this event, at the ReStore event, are donated, surplus, given to us by offices that didn't need the items, students who didn't need the items. So we bring them over here, set them up, and make them available to students, faculty, and staff who can give them a second life and use them without them being thrown out. We aim for once a month. So we did not have one in August, so we're getting this one together. So this is our first one for fall semester. We have another on, I believe it is October 23rd during Campus Sustainability Week. So it's kind of like a TJ Maxx. It's never the same store every time you come to it. You don't know what you're going to find. It all depends on what gets donated to us and what's in surplus and what people are getting rid of. But it's worth a try, to come and look. Obviously, a lot of people are finding things they can use. I hope they are anyway. One of the rules that we stated up front is don't take it unless you can use it. Sometimes there's things here they want for somebody else, and that's fine too. If they want to take a gift to a family member or something like that, or know somebody that can really use paper, I think we let that happen too. A lot of things are gone today and go back to somewhere where they're being used.